The Samsung Galaxy S23 is a smartphone with 128GB of storage, 8GB of RAM and a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset, runs Android 13 and has One UI. It's one of the best small phones available, and that it's lightweight because it's made of glass and aluminum. The S23 has a 3785 MHz battery and the S23 Ultra has a 4855 MHz battery. The S23 Ultra also has two telephoto cameras, one with 3x optical zoom and another with 10x optical zoom. The S23 Ultra also has IP68 water resistance, meaning it can withstand being submerged in up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. You can buy the S23 from Amazon STPL exclusive online and other sellers on Amazon.